Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dancing water speakers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the BeFree Sound 2.1 channel wireless multimedia LED dancing water Bluetooth sound system. If you're looking to spice up your listening experience with dynamic lighting, go no further than the BeFree Sound BFS 33X 2.1 channel wireless multimedia LED dancing water Bluetooth system. It is a fun and inexpensive wireless multimedia sound system. The 2.1 channel sound system produces crystal clear and balanced sound, and the Bluetooth connection and multimedia compatibility make it convenient to play and enjoy your favorite music. You can also use the aux-in connector for wired connectivity. The bass is more forceful, mids are well defined, and highs are clear. Play your favorite music, then watch as multicolored lights shine bright on water jets as they begin to dance to the beats. The BFS 33X speaker setup is aesthetically pleasing. The satellites are black and gray, and the subwoofer's bass is gray. All three speakers feature transparent water chambers that mimic domes. The light and water display makes them all stand out, despite their otherwise pleasing appearance. This dancing water speaker system seems to be rather sturdy despite being mostly constructed out of plastic. It comes with a reliable Bluetooth connection for break-free music. All you need to do is simply connect it to your computer or mobile device wirelessly and play tunes from any device. On evaluation, we found that the connectivity remained unaffected even from 30 feet away. The BeFree Sound BFS 33X 2.1 channel wireless multimedia LED dancing water Bluetooth system produces a beautiful, multicolored reflection on your walls and ceiling when your room's lights are out. The water fountains rise higher and become more active as the music volume increases. The water and light display by BFS 33X can be a wonderful entertainment addition to any event. Moving on at number 4, we have the MRCOOL i6 water dance speakers. If you want to enjoy music along with a mesmerizing dance and light show on the go, the MRCOOL i6 water dance speakers are all you need. The water dance function adds a distinctive and amusing aspect, while the compact design, excellent portability and reliable Bluetooth connection make it convenient to listen to your music while you are on the move. Out of all the Bluetooth dancing water speakers on the market, we found this to be the most portable and easy to use. You can also use an aux-in cable for wired connectivity. The MRCOOL i6 water dance speakers have a clear, detailed, warm and melodic sound characteristic, with a considerably more robust bass and slightly more sparkle and clarity in the highs. These dance speakers can provide a thrilling sound when their volume is turned up. However, even at moderate volume their performance was good. These dancing water speakers have a decently long battery life, about 5 to 6 hours when charged completely, can be paired with other Bluetooth devices quickly and easily, and can be operated with a single button. Also, they are simple to use and fill with water. Overall, the MRCOOL i6 water dance speakers come with a durable and sturdy design. At number 3, we have the Owlet colorful LED water speaker. If you are looking for a wired dancing water speaker set, the Owlet GAL3040W colorful LED water speaker with dancing fountain light show sound can be a good choice. The speaker's volume activates the water fountain jets, and the amazing LED display makes a spectacular visual impact. These amplifier speakers produce a high-resolution sound and deep bass, allowing you to hear every nuance of your favorite music. You can use both USB and aux cables to connect to different types of devices, such as laptops, computers, smartphones, and so on. These white-colored speakers look sleek and stylish, especially when paired with a desktop-based gaming setup. With every beat of your favorite music, these speakers spray water jets inside the transparent upper compartment. The multicolored LEDs reflect off the water as it shoots out of the base, generating a variety of stunning light and water displays. At number 2, we have the Art Plus Sound Vortex Tornado TWS Bluetooth speaker. The Art Plus Sound Vortex Tornado TWS Bluetooth speaker is a high-end dancing water speaker that will appeal to you if you are looking for a dancing speaker with a unique design, sleek built and attractive light and water shows. Once the water jets begin dancing, it's difficult to take your eyes off the swirling tornado water jets inside this speaker, even though this speaker comes with Bluetooth for wireless operation and freedom for cumbersome wires. You can use the USB and aux cables for wired connectivity, in case you find wired speakers more reliable. You can even connect two Art Plus Sound Vortex Tornado TWS Bluetooth speakers using the TWS functionality to create a stereo separation or surround sound experience. The speaker's dynamic drivers deliver powerful bass and overall balanced audio. When fully charged, the Art Plus Sound Vortex Tornado TWS Bluetooth speaker can work for up to 4 hours without any hiccups. Compared to other Bluetooth dancing water speakers on our list, this speaker's battery life is decent but not great. The Vortex water effect in the speaker consumes significant battery. And finally at number 1, we have the Naxa Electronics NHS2009 Dancing Water Light Tower Speaker. There are also a few high-end dancing water speaker options on the market, such as the Naxa Electronics NHS2009 Dancing Water Light Tower Speaker System with Bluetooth. This dancing water speaker system has an attractive and compact design and provides great sound quality. You can use this speaker as a standalone floor-standing speaker or tabletop speaker. It works best with smartphones and tablets. Also, it has two full-range audio drivers, resulting in a robust sound performance and broad frequency response. Even though this dancing water speaker comes with Bluetooth, you need to keep it plugged in using the AC adapter for continuous power. It does not operate on batteries. When switched on, this speaker creates beautiful light and water effects that keep getting better with the increasing volume of your favorite music. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.